MLAs cutting across party lines met TMC Supremo Mamta Banerjee today. However, all of them claimed that they had met her as a courtesy. TMC chief Mamta Banerjee landed in Goa on Thursday. She is on a 3-day Goa tour to take stock of election preparedness and meet the local leaders. On Friday, India's tennis star Leander Paes joined the TMC. Speaking on elections, Mamta said she has not yet decided how many seats to contest in Goa. I met the people of Goa, including the taxi drivers and other members of civic society. She will be coming to Goa in the future to meet the people, she said. Speaking on any party tie-ups, she said alliance is a collective decision and it would be taken after consulting local leaders.
Goa is a very beautiful state and they will celebrate their 60 years of liberation, and let this year celebrate as the Navi Shakal, new dawn of Goa. Let the sun rise, let the sun shine, and let the people smile. Goa have everything with them. What not? Fishing, to tourism, to mines, to sea, to so many things. But the problem is now nobody takes care. It is neglected now. Let Goa rule Goa. It is not that Delhi से लड्डू आएगा और दिल्ली का लड्डू गोवा चलाएगा. दिल्ली का दादागिरी एक बंद होना चाहिए. गोवा को अपन पाए में खड़ा होना चाहिए. अब उसका फाइट उसको ही होगा, हम लोग उसको मदद करेगा. हम सिस्टम बना देगा, मैकेनिज्म बना देगा. जितना मदद करना है. They didn't have problem for the economy, but they cannot manage it. It is totally mismanaged. We discussed this matter so many times for so many elections, but no result finally came out. And that's why let us stand in our own way. And I cannot discuss everything into details in this meeting now, because it depends on situation and everything. And local leaders, we have to discuss everything, and then it's a collective decision. It is not an individual decision, so I cannot tell you right now it is. But if anybody is interested to work with us, we'll be happy.
Leaders across party lines met Mamta. The Dhawlikar brothers, who were among the leaders, said that they are not interested in a merger with the TMC. Independent MLA Rohan Khaunte said that everybody needs to come on one platform to send the BJP home.
तांचो स्टेटमेंट असा की आम्ही 40 मतदारसंघात कॅन्डिडेट दवरतले. आमचो प्रश्न एज ए चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणून आम्ही आज हांगा आणि जी अपॉइंटमेंट म्हाका दिसता फाटल्या फावटी हांवें आमच्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत सांगिल्लें की जशें बाकीच्या लिडरांक मेळटा तशें कोणीय जर आमकां अपॉइंटमेंट दिवन आमकां जर स्पेशल आपयले आसत आमी ना म्हणचे ना. कारण लिडराक एका प्रोटोकॉल आसता. बीइंग अ चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ वेस्ट बेंगाल तो प्रोटोकॉल सांबाळप हें म्हजें कर्तव्य. इज अ कॅज्युअल मिटींग आमची. ती गोंयां येता. एक वेस्ट बेंगालाची चीफ मिनिस्टर गोंयां आयल्या तिका मेळपा खातीर पयर कसो केजरीवाल जेन्ना आयलो तेन्ना ताकाय मेळ्ळें. ताणें आपयलें जाल्यार फाल्यां कोणी
नो पॉलिटिक्स. आम्ही ठरयला आम्ही वतले म्हणून इंडिपेंडंट. वी विल गो इंडिपेंडंट.
पण तुमकां येईल जाल्यार सर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी
आतांची
अलायन्साची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी येईल जाल्यार
रिपोर्ट अलायन्स जावचें ना. पोस्टपोन जावपाक शकता.
मागीर पळय.
आतां हांव तुमकां ताचे विशीं कांय दिना.
प्री मॅच वॉट यू आर टेलिंग. We are working in full swing as a MG.
See, Mamta Banerjee is a tall leader, and she coming down to Goa. Prashant Kishore was in touch with me. He has been in having one or two meetings which we have been had. And taja khatir Mamta Banerjee Didi wanted to have a meeting, so courtesy call diwpaka jayillo just to meet her and understand what is her vision for Goa, what she has in mind for Goa. 3 months around the corner, how she plans taking the things ahead. I think IPAC and Didi are having some plans in their mind. My whole thing is everybody needs to be together with one particular platform to ensure that the ruling government goes home. I've had some sharing of thoughts. I hope maybe the team also of IPAC and they will also maybe discuss these issues later.
She has asked you to join?
The question is not of joining or doing. The thing is everybody needs to come together. And Taja Khatir, whatever I have given my thoughts, what we think how Goa should go in the next 5 years, I have had a chance to share my thoughts with her. She wanted to meet me, so to pay the courtesy call I have come today. So आता फुडें कशें वचपा जाय, कितें वचपा जाय, एक कॉमन थॉट आसचोच पडटलो सगळ्यांक बरोबर घेवन वचपा जाय.
NCP MLA Churchill Alemao and his daughter Velanka Alemao said it was a courtesy call. According to the reports, Churchill, who was a former TMC candidate, is looking for alternatives if Congress-NCP tie-up fails. Churchill, also keen to field his daughter, is likely to push her toward the TMC if NCP refuses her ticket.
उलोवप आमची आमची फ्रेंड मरे आमची फुटबॉल सगळी फ्रेंड मरे ती आनी ती आतां ती चीफ मिनिस्टर आनी फ्युचराची प्रायम मिनिस्टर कॅन्डिडेट मरे आमी ताका कोर्टसी कॉल ती पयला
पण तुम्ही एनसीपी ना
बरें आमी एनसीपी आहा हांवें सांगलां बरें पळय सांगलें न्हय 2 रूख आहाय म्हणून एक बीजेपी आनी एक काँग्रेसू तो काँग्रेस कितें आसता 4 कुडी जाल्या ते झगडून जाल्या आनी बीजेपीचे 3 कुडके आहा ते बराबर आहा ते आनी इनसायड भायर बी दिसता पडटा कोण आम आदमी आनी आरजी आनी बीजेपी ते एकठांय आहा ते सो आमचे कितें 4 कोटी जाल्ले आहा ते 4 कोटी जाला ते एकठांय जाल्यार सारके झगडपा जाता सगळे जर येयले जाल्यार बेस्ट जाता न्हू बेस्ट जाता न्हू कोण जाता कोर्टा मरे टायम मरे टायम घे मरे
सेंट्रल लिडरा कडेन उलयलो अशें
अरे टायम हांवें सेंट्रल सांगलां सगळे एकठांय जावपा जाय म्हणून
समज टीएमसी ना तरी पूण
आतां ते मागीर पळय अरे कितें जाता तें
सद्या इंडिपेंडंट मागीर मुखार चोया लोकांना अशें आहा न्हू बाबा लोक वोट कोताय म्हाका
आणि कोण तुमकां अप्रोच बी अशें जावना टीएमसी किंवा
जायत जाल्यार सांगो जायना न्हू.
BJP's General Secretary Damodar Naik said the entry of TMC in Goa won't affect the BJP at all. It is a party with no ground.
TMC कांयच व्हडलें हें कांयच ना तांचे खरें म्हळ्यार हांगा एक्झिस्टन्सूच ना झिरो बारीक विचार करात TMCचो कितें हांगा गोंयांत कितें खंय कार्यालय आसा बरे वेळाचेर रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस आसा स्टेट एक्झिक्युटीव आसा खंय तरी पदाधिकारी आसा ट्रेजरर सेक्रेटरी अशें कितें आसा स्टेट मिटिंग्स कितें जाता असो कितें तो पक्ष हांगा आसा गोंयांत ना फक्त बॅनरां लायलीं होर्डिंग्स लायले आनी एक आपले एक तरेन चित्र रंगयलें आनी जो कोण तरी काँग्रेसचो जो रिटायर्ड पर्सन आसा ताका घेतलो ए पर्सन MGचो एक रिटायर्ड पर्सन आसा ताका घेतलो ए पर्सन जालें ती वेस्ट बेंगॉलान लोकल पार्टी.
Irshad Sheikh, William Rodrigues and Sham Chari for Goa 365 from Panaji.